I'm currently working in a team of students, staff, and faculty, together with X1, the global leader of Binajet 3D printing, other local companies and hospitals to find solutions for the current shortages in masks and filters that we are experiencing in this pandemic. We're using rapid prototyping to build masks and also housings for filters that can be attached to masks and then worn by healthcare workers. They can also be put in line to ventilators that are used with patients. But what really sets us apart are the metal filters that we developed that are Binajet 3D printed and that have a very fine connected porosity to filter air. Additionally, since they're out of metal, they can be sterilized and therefore reused many, many times. We are currently working on optimizing the filtration performance, and we are investigating materials that can be antiviral and antibacterial. Finally, we hope that with this high-performance metal 3D printed filter, we can contribute to solve the current shortage in filters and masks that we are experiencing.